Welcome back to my channel. Tonight we'll be doing a demonstration on a bath bomb and bubble spinner. We'll be doing the Shoot for the Stars bath bomb and the Snowflake bubble spinner. So stay tuned to see the demonstration. But for tonight's video, I'll be doing a demonstration of a bubble spinner. I'll show you what it does once you run it underwater. We'll also be doing the Shooting for Stars bath bomb. So now we're going to do the bubble spinner. This is my favorite thing to do. You just hold it under the water and it goes for you. As you can see, it starts producing the bubbles pretty quickly. It's not as big as bubbles as I would like. But with anything bubble from Lush, really you just have to hold it under the water for it to produce any bubbles. But like I said, it's producing the bubbles pretty fastly. I've used this bubble spinner before. You get a lot out of the product, that's for sure. You just keep holding it under. You don't have to make it spin like I do. That's just pretty cool to me. You can literally just hold it under the water like this. If you hold it just right, you'll get the water. I can do it. Look at that. Look at all those bubbles. You can tell how little it's getting here compared to right here. And depending on how many bubbles you use, you can end it here and use it for your next bath. Or you could keep going. I mean, look how fast that is. How fast that was. Look how much bubbles I have already. So that's pretty cool with the blue water from the stars. It's a really, really, really pretty bath. It really just depends on what you want, but that's the gist of it. I think I'll stop it right here just so I can get more. I like to get more use out of my anything from Lush, actually. If it's a big enough bath bomb or a big enough bubble, I'll definitely cut it in half or stop it when I can. That way I can get double usage out of it. So I'm going to stop this right here. And that is my bath for tonight. I hope you liked that demonstration of the bath bomb and bubble spinner that you just saw. The bath bomb definitely gave the water a very pretty blue look to it. I didn't see glitter. I could have sworn there was. Maybe there is and I just didn't get it. Maybe I'm crazy. We all know I am. But also the bubble spinner, you definitely get a lot in that little snowflake, and you can use it more than once. Like I said, I'll be using it for a second time. There's definitely a lot of product there. So I hope you liked tonight's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel, that way you can see more cool videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye! Definitely glitter.